Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back, but I'm back with the hairstyle video, and this is a quick and easy 90s trendy hairstyle. Like when you do this to your hair, honestly it's gonna make your outfit. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
Hands round my neck.
Okay, so to first start off, my hair's dirty, and I feel like when you curl your hair and stuff, it just makes it a lot bigger. Buster's barking in the back, please excuse him. All you're really gonna need for this tutorial is just like a wand. Depends on how big or small you want your curls. I'm gonna use a wand, and then just a little scrunchie. Scrunchies are the move, I'm telling you guys. Definite must have. Alright, so to start off, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out my hair. It's actually not that tangled because I brushed it out last night, surprisingly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take some BioSilk or any other heat protectant that you have. I'm just gonna go ahead and to the bottom. I need to get a trim. My hair has been, well, it's not like really bad, but whenever it gets split ends, I hate it, so I need to go ahead and trim ASAP. My hair is actually growing. I'm very happy. And you can just rub the rest of it on your body and stuff. This stuff can actually be used on your body as well. Let me know if you guys use this too, because my mom has been using it since she was younger, and so I just started using it because of that reason. But I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. I'm trying to like hurry real quick because we're going somewhere a little bit. So I'm just gonna take like little strands of this. The first time I did this, it was with the bigger curler. I like the way it came out, but I just like for my curls to be a little bit smaller. So that's why I'm going with the wand this time. And I requested this hair tutorial, so that's why I'm doing it. And it's honestly super easy and really, really cute. It's very 90s, so very trendy. You can curl them like in and out. It depends on like how you want it, but I'm just gonna do it out. So like this side will be out this way, this side will be out this way. I use a new foundation, and it's an LA Girl one, and let me tell you guys, see, I'm not a person that tries things right when they come out, but I got this one for my mom when it first came out, and it always looks so good on her, but I've never tried it on myself. Let me tell you guys, it's very, very pretty. I'm out of school, y'all. I'm so happy about that. You can get big sections of hair, little sections of hair. I'm just grabbing little ones because my hair is short, so the curls really don't come out right when I get big sections. It's my mom's one. Thank you, Mom, for letting me try it out. I mean, you can also do this with natural hair, with straight hair, whatever you're feeling like. It's around you. Say, baby, I love you. The messier, the better, I feel. You can do bigger chunks if you're in a rush. That's what I'm gonna have to do right now.
You know what, sis? Get into your bag. Stay focused. Leave these bum ass. I see. You thought you was slick, but you slipping.
So now that this is done, Buster's panting over here, that's why you can hear that. I kind of like to run my fingers through it. Then I'll go and take a regular hair tie, and then tie like from my arch of my eyebrows back, like this little section.
Pull up bougie in the hood.
Doesn't have to be very big, like that much. And I'm just going to tie that off.
I'ma pull up with that good.
That. And then with the scrunchie, I'll go ahead and go over it. This scrunchie's good enough to where I can just use it like that on my hair, but I like to make sure I put one under so it doesn't stretch it out. And then with a toothbrush, I'll go right here and then just go ahead and go over these baby hairs with the gel. I'm not a pro at this, but I'm trying to learn. I usually just like to do the top ones like that, and I also like to do these right here as well. You can do this with edge wax. They sell edge wax at Target. Janet, the one that did my braids, she showed me the edge wax that she uses for braids, and it's at Target, so you guys can get that there as well. And that's pretty much how I do it. You can also put a little bit of hairspray in it, but it's whatever you prefer. I kind of just like for my hair to be like fluffy and big and not hard. So you can go ahead and pull like 2 strands of hair out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull just like these 2 right here out. Right there. So it'll be these 2. You can pull a lot more out. It just depends on which you're comfortable with. So it just looks like that. And you curl them out, so it's gonna just add some more hair in the front. And then go ahead and get your scrunchie and just do that. It's like a cuter look. It adds just a little more face in the front, so it's not so pulled back. So this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. A little 90s hairstyle, trendy hairstyle, for sure nowadays. So if you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up so that you guys liked it, and also subscribe to get notified when I do upload videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. It's so cute. Look at these heart earrings though. They're so cute. Okay, I gotta go before I get in trouble.
Mamacita, cita, cita.